infrastructure will be a problem. I think new technologies, as I was mentioning before, the host card emulation will make it easier, because with host card emulation you just need a bank by itself can actually put it in the cloud and manage it itself. So it's a lot less complexity in the ecosystem, because you don't have to rely on a trusted third party or on a telco. So still, challenge in emerging markets will be the terminals, but over time they will come as well. I think acceptance in Asia is still pretty low, but basically yes. I mean, if a merchant says, yes, I accept Bitcoin, you can pay with Bitcoin. Acceptance is pretty low, and you have volatility in the Bitcoin value. I mean, when you look at the currency trend over time, it started really low, and then it just rocketed, and then it plummeted when the Mt. Gox exchange went bust. So now it was pretty stable. I think somewhere around 400 or 600 US dollars per Bitcoin. But I don't think banks are concerned about it per se, because that's their business. That used to be their business, and that's why they are concerned about third parties coming in and snapping up peer-to-peer. Because it's basically, everybody wants to get, or all the regulators want to get rid of cash, because it's difficult to control and it's expensive. So peer-to-peer payments simply allows me to pay to you without, as easy as that. Now the banks are a bit slow to move. They're big organizations. They need to. It's also a complex system behind it. So Singapore has real-time low-value payments now. So for them, it's very easy to deliver that experience, that P2P experience, through the proper banking systems. So they just need to actually put online banking on a mobile phone, and you have P2P. As easy as that. But until last year, it took 3 days to settle, and then it's 2 days. So it's not this instant gratification that a PayPal is offering you. You send it, it's arriving on the other end. So, and this is a challenge for banks that haven't, or for countries that haven't launched a low-value real-time payment system yet. And it's China. I always use that because it's really an awesome example. You have massive banks over there. They're not very consumer-friendly in the first place, and they didn't have to, because their main business is in corporate banking. But yes, they were taking care of the consumers, but it took forever to make a payment. You have to pay when you make a payment to another bank. You even have to pay when you make a payment to somebody who is in the same bank and in a different branch. So unfriendly, so customer unfriendly was payments, or P2P payments in China. And then you suddenly had Alibaba coming in and just saying, okay, cut you out, you give me the cash, I give you the value, and you can make instant payment between each other. So they just cut out the banks, and because that was a customer friendly solution, it just took off.